Have you ever wondered if just looking at your credit score can actually hurt it? We've all heard those rumors about how checking your credit report too often can ding your score. But is it really true? Today, we're going to dive into the world of credit scores and Borrowell, a popular online platform that helps you understand and improve your financial health. We'll explore whether checking your credit score through Borrowell has any impact on your overall creditworthiness. Understanding credit scores. Before we get into Borrowell, let's quickly recap what a credit score is and what factors influence it. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness based on your past borrowing and repayment history. It's a tool that lenders use to assess your risk before extending credit. Here are the primary factors that contribute to your credit score. Payment history. This is the most significant factor, accounting for about 35% of your score. It reflects how well you've paid your bills on time. Amount owed. This includes your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Length of credit history. The longer your credit history, the better. This shows that you've been responsible with credit over time. New credit. Opening new credit accounts can temporarily lower your score, but this effect is usually minor. Types of credit. Having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards and loans, can positively impact your score. Borrowell and credit checks. Now, let's talk about Borrowell. It's a Canadian online platform that provides free access to your credit report and score. You can also use Borrowell to monitor your credit, set financial goals, and even apply for loans and credit cards. So, does checking your credit score through Borrowell affect your credit? The short answer is no. Here's why. Soft inquiries. When you check your credit score through Borrowell, it's considered a soft inquiry. This type of inquiry doesn't affect your credit score. Hard inquiries. Hard inquiries are made when a lender checks your credit to determine your eligibility for a loan or credit card. These can have a minor impact on your score. Borrowell's commitment. Borrowell is committed to protecting your privacy and ensuring that your credit score remains unaffected by using their platform. The importance of monitoring your credit. Checking your credit score regularly is a healthy financial habit. It allows you to identify errors. Mistakes can happen in credit reports. By reviewing your report, you can catch and correct any errors that may be negatively impacting your score. Track progress. Monitoring your credit score over time helps you see the results of your efforts to improve your financial health. Make informed decisions. A good credit score can open doors to better interest rates on loans and credit cards. By understanding your creditworthiness, you can make more informed financial decisions. Tips for improving your credit score. If you're looking to improve your credit score, here are a few tips. Pay your bills on time. This is the most important factor. Make sure to pay all your bills, including credit cards, loans, and utilities, on time. Keep your credit utilization low. Try to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. This means using less than 30% of your available credit. Limit new credit. Opening new credit accounts can temporarily lower your score. Only open new accounts when necessary. Dispute errors. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureaus. Be patient. Improving your credit score takes time. Be patient and consistent with your efforts. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, no, checking your credit score through Borrowell does not affect your credit score. Borrowell is a valuable tool for understanding and managing your financial health. By regularly monitoring your credit and taking steps to improve it, you can achieve your financial goals and build a strong credit history. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.